Welcome to Pro-Fab, a leading provider of light-gauge steel portable cabins in the Gulf region. Today, we invite you to explore the world of innovative and sustainable construction solutions. At Pro-Fab, we specialize in designing and manufacturing high-quality LGS portable cabins, offering unmatched versatility and durability. With our presence in 15 different locations across Gulf countries, we are committed to delivering excellence in every project. Our production facilities span over 450,000 square feet, equipped with advanced machinery, operated by a skilled workforce. We ensure that every LGS portable cabin is crafted with precision and attention to detail, meeting the highest industry standards. These LGS portable cabins are designed to cater to a wide range of needs. They serve as comfortable and functional spaces for various purposes, such as construction site, offices, accommodations, classrooms, medical clinics, and much more, whether it's for temporary or permanent use. Pro-Fab's LGS portable cabins are the ideal choice for your construction and accommodation needs. The cabins are equipped with modern amenities, including electrical fittings, plumbing, and insulation, ensuring a comfortable and productive environment. We are building the future with light-gauge steel portable cabins. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, that you get notification alert.